To see Sophie.
Listen, don't matter about name. I won't be shit.
Huh?
I won't be shit.
She'll be 15 on Tuesday.
No, she'll be 15 on Tuesday.
She'll be 14 on Tuesday, sorry.
Yeah, she'll be 14 on Tuesday.
Yeah, she has a bed.
Hello my people, I greet the full house from Otoshebo mama. Hope so now they fine. Una do well, so now take the help me, take the share, comment, like. God will bless una. Really appreciate una well. But I not vex for my voice, so I get some little code, okay? My people, one of our brother will be Niger, will be Niger person. Don't enter one chance for UK. I go put the full video for Namon and watch. This man not be underage. He can't see. He travel from a place. Can't see underage where he be say he just complete a birthday. He go be 14 years. You understand? He say he can't give am gift. Now the whole land, my people, because you know say some of our people they believe say they still in Nigeria. The way they say they do for Nigeria, they want continue that kind of thing for year again. You know they exist. You know they exist. How you will be say you be adult? You gonna follow underage they waka. Wetin you want use underage they do? Wetin you want use and they do? Now abroad we dey. When you dey, where we at this abroad where we dey. Underage, if they see you see underage, even though say wetin you no think, they don't think am. Wetin maybe you no even think at all. Wetin make you give am gift? Because as far as say now underage, una understand now say many things they happen where be say all these people where be say that they find underage they go where they find their kpekus they go. Me I no understand some people wetin they worry them for inside their brain. Where be say many girls there. You go there, you pay for them, you do what you want to, you come out for them, you no go get problem. I so much believe say this man, they follow him, not be just now. Okay, my people, I will put the video for Namona listening to waiting they ask him. They carry and go inside though. Una know the way we both they do their thing. Their thing is very different. Because maybe this one I never even tell where reach abroad though. As far as say una know say they say UK women not dey. They say women not dey. They don't get time to if you say they want to get boyfriend or get girlfriend. Maybe this one now he just cites this underage. He just una understand now say you go the light today, you know they draw a near body. He know say now underage. What do they do it underage? A grown-up man like you, we be say you not be underage. You go they follow underage they waka. My brothers and sisters, be very careful. This one abroad or not be Nigeria where you think say you do what you want to, you'll go free. Yeah, not be like that. They go draw you. I so much believe say then get proof and then follow on. Now I make can then hold on. May I put the video for Namona listing my people. I bet if you now watch and finish, help me to share the video. Make other people take get sense. Underage, leave there alone. Once maybe you talk to once you talk to for when you talk to a girl, the girl tell you say be underage. You just they run they go because sometimes some children you'll see them they're just big, but if you tell you in age, now then you can't say now underage. Just they run for your dear life. May I put the video? God bless you for being here. I really appreciate you. Now, sorry for my voice.
Yeah, to see Sophie.
Listen, don't matter about name. I won't be shit.
Huh?
I won't be shit.
She'll be 15 on Tuesday.
No, she'll be 15 on Tuesday.
She'll be 14 on Tuesday, sorry.
Yeah, she'll be 14 on Tuesday.
Yeah, she has a birthday on Tuesday. That's
Listen, don't shout at me. What do they call people like you?
What?
What do they call people like you?
I'm not here for anything. I'm just going to take her half a birthday. She has a birthday on Tuesday.
Right. This says different. Yeah. So what I'm going to do?
She has a birthday on Tuesday. That's why I'm here.
She has a what?
A birthday on Tuesday. That's why I'm here.
Listen.
I'm just here to surprise her. That's all.
You're not here to surprise her. You're here to have. All right. Yeah. Do you know what they call people like? Dirty.
How will I do that when 16 years old? 14 years old?
Yeah, exactly. Why? Right, quit your jibber jabber. Right, listen.
Oh, come on, you don't have to.
Right, you're going out anyhow.
I'm not doing that. You don't have to. I don't mean any harm to her.
Right, listen. Why are you asking her to tell the child fingers and put them? Why? If you're just talking to her, yeah. States will hurt at first, but you'll lose lubrication. Yeah. Listen, never mind. You just travelled all the way from Scotland to come and read
I
the
came
fucking
here
child.
to surprise her for her birthday on Tuesday.
Well, you wanted you wanted a surprise, didn't you? She sent we are her surprise. What she's give you. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Surprise. Are you listening? When the child won't send pictures, you get very angry with her.
Me?
Yeah, you do. Listen, you're talking. I tell you what. Do you know what? There's a few people getting here now. I'm gonna let you go. Yeah. If you ever do this again, I'll get you. All right. Do you understand me?
See, mate.
You listen.
I understand what you mean.
Right, just
Trust
listen,
me. I'm not.
Listen what I'm saying. Look into this camera. You promise me you'll never do it again. I'm gonna let you go now.
I'll tell you one thing.
No, don't tell me.
I'll tell you to the camera. I'm not here to Sophie. I'm here to surprise her. All right, sorry. I'm here to surprise her for her 14th birthday on Tuesday. That's all.
Right, promise me you'll never do it again.
I promise that. I promise that if that's bad, but I'm only here to surprise her. That's all.
Look at me. Tough, you dirty bastard. You're going fuck. You're getting locked up. All right. You are a bully. Now, all right.
No,
bully.
no.
Yeah, you are. You've come all the way from Scotland. Yeah. Just got
Yeah,
the train
Scotland,
from
Edinburgh, aye.
yeah. What do you think of it? What do you think of Leeds?
Leeds?
Yeah.
I've been here before.
Have you?
Yeah, once.
Nice place, isn't it?
It's a nice place, yeah.
well,
I've been here.
Yeah, well, we don't like dirty coming here. All right.
Aww.
Tell her. And you were going to take her back to Scotland with you, and you might keep her till Christmas.
No, I didn't
I've
say.
told you messages.
I'll tell you about the messages. She wanted to go for holiday, that's all. I told her she should ask her mom. I told her she should ask her mom. Your mom allows it.
Why are you shouting?
No, I'm not. I told her to ask her mom. If her mom allows it, then it's fine.
Listen.
I'll take her and she'll come back on Friday because her auntie is coming.
He's talking to
Auntie's coming from London.
You jibber-jabber. Why do you think her mum's going to let you go? You know it's wrong. That's why you said you'll say you're a dad. You know it's wrong to a 14-year-old girl.
I'm not having... Mate, that's...
Well,
I know it's very...
You said
wrong.
that she's going to taste your... Yeah? You will get her alcohol. Yeah?
No.
Listen. Yeah. Listen, anyhow, you've sent indecent images. Can you tell me what this is? 1 second. This is all sent from you. This is all sent from you. You're going to probably say...
Those are stickers.
They're not pictures.
Stickers.
Do you send that to a 14-year-old girl, do you? Stickers.
She started sending those, not me.
Oh, you talking some shit. We've got everything what you've said. This is just a bit of what you said.
Trust me,
right. Trust you. You're here to
I'm a
Yeah, you are.
No,
yeah.
I'm not.
So hopefully, the your ass. Oh, 13-year-old. She's 13, yeah.
She's 14 on Tuesday.
Yeah. Right, listen.
I'm only here to surprise her for a birthday.
Are you listening to me? I'm trying to go through it. Yeah. When they meet in Leeds, she can play with and have it inside her. He will lick her when she performs oral. It will be like licking chocolate. You know.
I didn't write that.
Leave us kids alone.
Get your stand the fucking over. Say I've taken this from you. Just
Here,
continue
there's
it.
something in there as well.
Yep.
He never identified me to it. No, he never did. Yeah, he made that situation worse. But it's all on camera, so...
Jordan's got it on film.
We need